Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of English. In this video, we are going to see the phrasal verbs using the word drop. And you can find similar videos of phrasal verbs in the playlist to go and check it there. And this would be your last phrasal verb series, and we'll be starting another series the upcoming week. So let's begin. And if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and with your friends, and also drop in your feedback in the comment section. Let's start. First one is phrasal verb using drop, that is drop by. So drop by means to visit informally or unexpectedly. Okay, I will drop by your house later this evening. To visit informally. Next one is drop off. It means to take someone or something to a place and leave it there. Drop off. Can you drop me off at the airport tomorrow? Is the sentence for that. Next one is drop out. It is to leave or quit something before it is completed. Usually a course. Okay. Example would be he dropped out of college to start his own business. Next one is drop in. It means to visit someone briefly, often without an appointment. So we have already seen drop by, which has the similar meaning. And here you can see example would be feel free to drop in anytime if you are in the neighborhood. Next one is drop back. It is to move behind someone or something, or to fall behind in progress. Example is she dropped back in the race after spraining her ankle. Next one is drop off, usually to sleep, to begin to fall asleep. Example is I was so tired that I dropped off in front of the TV. Next one is drop a line. It is to send a brief message, or usually through a letter or an email. I will drop you a line when I arrive. Next is drop into. It means to visit a place briefly or without planning. Example would be I am going to drop into the store to pick up some milk. Next one is drop the ball. Its meaning is to make a mistake or fail to handle something properly. Example, you can take it as I dropped the ball on the project and missed the deadline. Okay, so this is drop the ball, to make some mistakes. Okay, next one is drop someone a hint. Drop, you have to say, tell somebody here, and then a hint. It means to give someone a subtle or indirect suggestion or some clue. Okay, so that is the meaning of drop a hint. Okay, so she dropped him a hint about her birthday party plans. So you can see here drop, then use that someone here, and then a hint. This is how it is used. So hope this video was useful to you. If you liked this video and found something useful here, do subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and also comment in the comment section about your views about the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the upcoming video.